I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock cube. Start by roasting bones and vegetables, then simmer gently with water, herbs, and salt until richly flavored. Reduce the liquid to concentrate taste, strain through a fine sieve, and cool completely. Pour into ice cube trays or molds, freeze and store in labeled bags so you always have ready-to-use portions for soups, sauces, and stews. Gather bones, aromatics, salt, and water, then prep for a long, gentle simmer to extract maximum flavor. Break larger bones for better exposure and char vegetables to add depth. Maintain a low simmer and skim foam occasionally for clarity. Concentrate the stock by reducing to desired strength, then cool and debone. Label and portion into trays or silicone molds so you have ready-to-use home. Use small portions to control salt and intensity when cooking, and thaw only what you need to avoid waste. Test a cube in a hot pan or pot to gauge strength, then adjust with water or salt. For longer storage, wrap cubes in parchment or place in airtight bags to prevent freezer burn. Note that concentrated cubes will keep for months and spark kitchen creativity when you need deep chicken flavor fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.